Day Sai Kids.
10 lines essay about duck. Duck is an aquatic bird. It says quack quack. It looks like swans and geese. It is omnivorous, which can eat either aquatic plants or tiny animals. It lives in a pond, which can be found in both freshwater and salt water. It can fly and swim. It can give us eggs. It is white and brown in color. Most ducks are migratory. A baby duck is called a duckling and a male duck is called a drake. Can dive deep into the water to get their food. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.